Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this upper chrome strip on the front bumper on a 2018 Honda Accord. I already have a video on how to take the bumper off the car, which you do have to do in order to get this off. You don't have to necessarily take the whole grille off the bumper if you just want to take this off, or if you want to change out this upper painted portion. But I just took it off anyways. It's going to make it easier to film, and I used it on a previous video on how to take off this whole grille assembly. So what we're going to do is take the grille and go onto the back side here. And I marked with green tape all of the tabs that we're going to have to get a screwdriver in behind and pry out on. And so when I take the grille and I wiggle it, you can see that it's pulling away from this base here. And that's what we're trying to get the whole chrome piece to do all the way through here, is we're going to put pressure on it. And while we're putting pressure on it with one hand, we're going to be taking a screwdriver and we're going to be pushing up on this tab right there. We're pushing the tab away from the chrome while putting pressure on it. And we're going to go through and do that the whole way through, including down here, and we're just going to work our way across to take this chrome off. Alright guys, so we got the chrome off now, released from the grill base. And you can see here's all the tabs that we pried on. And I apologize on the filming. I know it was terrible and shaky, but it's really difficult to try to get the right angle doing that. But you basically get the idea. You just gotta pry on it and kind of find the tabs that it's holding it back, and just work your way. Start at one side and work your way to the other. And now, if you want to change out this upper painted portion, then you have to take that off, because you can see here now that there is clips holding this on underneath that chrome piece. So it's all, this grill is all layered in different ways, and in order to basically do anything, you just got to disassemble another part to get to what you're wanting to do. But that's it for this video, guys. Just how to remove that chrome. And I'll have other videos in the description below on how to do some other things on this grill. But that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.